Do you have an idea for a school project, but not enough money to put it into practice? Crowdfunding can help make your idea come true. With crowdfunding, many people will give you small amounts of money to support a project jointly. The crowd could be your friends, your family, or your teachers. Your friends, family, and teachers will then share your idea with their friends, family, and teachers. This way, more and more people will learn about your project and can chip in to give their support. These donations can then be used for financing your project. So if you or your friends have an idea, get registered for free on www.startedeinprojekt.at. Create a user profile and describe your project in as much detail as possible. Tell your crowdfunders who you are, what your goal is, what you'll use the money for, and what reward you'll offer them in return. You can also upload photos and videos. Let your teacher check your profile before you put it online. As soon as the link is live, you can share it with everyone. Whoever likes your idea can then support it via an online bank transfer of 2, 5, 10, or more euros. What's more, you can open a separate project account free of charge with Erste Bank or Sparkasse. Once the project is completed, the crowd will receive a reward from you for their support. Think of great ways to make your project known to others and keep your crowd updated on your activities. Once you've collected the target amount, there is nothing left to stop you from putting your project into practice. Well, what are you waiting for?
3, 2, 1.
Get started. By the way, even if your project takes off and you're very busy, don't forget to send the rewards to your crowd and to update them about your project even after the funding is complete. They'll be happy to hear how you're doing.